Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat blurry camera. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first we need to open Snapchat, and here we need to click on our profile picture in the top left corner to go to our profile, and then go to the settings, clicking on the settings icon with a little gear icon in the top right corner. Now as we on our settings, we need to scroll down a little bit until we will find the privacy controls section and the first option here called clear data. So we need to go and click on the clear data, and here the last option is clear cache. So this is the first thing that we will do to fix our problem. So go and clear cache, confirm the action clicking on clear again. So cache basically usually is the reason why we get this type of problem, and if we clear the cache of the application we may resolve the problem completely. So go to the Snapchat and check if everything is fine or not. As you can see, my camera is not blurred. But if the problem still persists, the next thing I'll suggest you to do is to open the App Store on our device or the Play Market and go to the search and search for the Snapchat. Go and search for the Snapchat, open the Snapchat application here and make sure it is updated. So if you see the update button instead of open button, it means you're using an old version of Snapchat. You need to update it immediately because maybe your problem is already fixed in the newest version. And basically that is it. That is how we can fix Snapchat blurry camera problem. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.